Hi, I'm Marcus Ian, and this is my Workshop 2 Java FX app. It's a vehicle maintenance and usage management system. I'll walk through the core files, show how the UX connects to the model and the storage, and then I'm gonna do a demo where I add data and I view the summary. My model here, it's three classes. One of them just holds the model, make here, and the type for the vehicle. The maintenance record, which links the vehicle identifier, or fields with the date, description, and the cost. The usage log, which stores the start date, end date, and the kilometers driven by the vehicle. Here I have the storage layer, which is a single file. It exposes methods like the add vehicle, add maintenance record, and the add usage log, plus getters that the controllers can call when they need to read or summarize data. This separation keeps the controllers thin, so there is no data logic living in the UI. In the main view, I have the FXML here, main view FXML, which it binds inputs like the text field, the com boxes here, which and also the date pickers using the FX ID here. So in the main controller, it is going to inject them with the FXML here from the front end code here with the main view. So for that, I have three event handlers doing three things. And they read input, they validate user input, they build the correct model object, and they call the data storage to save it. So when I click on clear or update the table, for example, when I click save on the vehicle, the handle save vehicle grabs the model, grabs the make, year, and the type, and validates it, constructing a vehicle. And then the data storage here is gonna add the vehicle, and the same pattern applies for the other two classes. I included like live validation here, so like checking empty fields and parsing numbers for years, costs, and kilometers. If something is off, I show a friendly message or keep the button disabled until inputs are valid. This prevents bad data from entering data storage and avoid errors later in the summary. And for the summary view here, I got the summary screen, which is driven by the summary controller. A combo box here. Let me choose what to display: the vehicles, the maintenance record, the usage logs based on the selection. With that, I fetched the data from the data storage here, and I formatted as readable text in the text area. So the key idea is just that the controllers never talk to each other directly. They just talk to the storage layer instead. And this is gonna like keep them clear of responsibility from each other. So this is it for the explanation. I'm gonna do the demo running the app. For the make, let me put Honda, for example, the model Civic, the year 2019, the type sedan. For the maintenance here, let me put today's date. I'll put October 5th here. Description, I'm just gonna put oil change. Cost 89, for example, which is already there. And In this usage here, I'll just put, I don't know, last week and some days on this week now. 42. And then I'll save here, and to view all the vehicles or maintenance and usage logs of this session here, I'll click on the view summary. What type of data do I want to see based on the classes? If I want to see the vehicle, there's a single vehicle which I saved right now, which is a Civic, which I just did. Maintenance records, it's going to give me the first model I'm talking about, just to make things easier. And the usage log here, which is going to give me just the dates. Pretty simple stuff. So I also use from text. It's like tooltips and tables to resize the policies in FMX so the UI feels a little bit cleaner. But that's about it. Thank you so much, and that was my time.